Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Big Buffalo pickers defending the hustle on Friday night, him in Glass City? Have you ever heard of Big D, Fundamentals of the Side Hustle on Wednesday night, him and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of Shav? Have you ever heard of Ella, Save Here First? Yeah, with this Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to show y'all this little trick. It's just gonna be like a 2-minute video. I just want to show y'all this little trick that I learned probably about a year ago on how to when you scan something, instead of going in, you know, and changing, looking for, you know, what's sold, you can do that permanently. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Hold on, let me turn you. Okay, y'all see that pretty good? I assume that's a yes. Okay, you push search button and say I'm searching for something like this comic book right here. That's a comic book. Oh, it's still on. Let me cut that off. You go down, when you're searching, you know, you want to push the filter button. And then you usually go down to show more and you usually check sold and condition. Okay? But to permanently change that, see that comic book I just got last week right there, $55. To permanently change that, you push filter, you go down, all the way down to where it say custom, push that custom. Then where it say lockable filters, you lock it. Then you go back over and you push, excuse me, what the hell? You push sold items, and you'll never have to do it again. So every time you scan something, it'll come, the sold items will come up. Okay, let me look at another item. Okay, let me get rid of that. Let me pick one of these. Hold on, let me get rid of this. Let me pick one of these I scanned already. It didn't come up. Hold on. Something wrong. Lockable filters. I'm tripping, y'all. Tripping. First thing you got to do before you lock it. Let me turn this off. First thing you got to do before you lock it is pick them first. So you go in, you pick sold first. Then you go down to customize. Push that. And now it should be locked. So I'm finna look up another item. Damn, it ain't working no more. Y'all done made me mess my phone up. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, I saw what I was doing wrong. Been so long since I changed this, I forgot how to do it. But you go down to customize. You push customize. Then you go back out, open up, she would say sold items, put sold items. See these little locks over here? You gotta push these locks. See that? Now it's coming up. So now when you look up a new item, get rid of that one. Now when you look up a new item, it should be locked. You see that? So I made no difference what I push. I'm gonna push this one. See? It's all coming up It's all coming up sold items. So I just want to make this quick video, y'all, on how to do that. Yeah. So y'all have a good day. Wear that mask, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.